a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, she goes back.
Say hello to my little friend. I picked him up at Home Depot. He likes to scrape things. They're only 99 cents. They can scrape your face, scrape your nose. They can scrape your ears. They can scrape your chin. They can scrape your beard off too. I don't know. I'm just bored. I thought I'd make some crazy videos with a plastic scraper. Plus, it's YouTube. We got to make some funny videos. What else would we do with no funny videos? If we didn't make funny videos, we wouldn't have stupid fucking videos to watch. I can't keep a straight face. This is fucking dumb. I gotta put this on there.